sorry that my room is a mess, but before I prime my face, I'm gonna prime my eyes and some zits I'm getting because I haven't been eating very great. I've had too many special occasions happening. But today, as I'm recording, is when I'm gonna get serious and eat healthy and get my skin back to normal. I'm gonna dip my beauty blender into a glass of water and I'm gonna blend we are mainly doing the eyes today because I don't have a lot of makeup planned for Riza Hawkeye, because the way I would see her is like, if she was real, she would look beautiful but average, not a lot of makeup. But with the eyes, we are definitely putting on heavy makeup. So I'm gonna take this cool, warm brown and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And you wanna blend it out and you wanna apply it with your brush in motion circles. Also, take your time with this, don't rush, because I myself am having trouble taking my time with this for some reason. I have all the time in the world. I came home from work and I can get into my Riza Hawkeye cosplay and make some TikToks with my dog. He's bigger now, but better late than never, they say. Now I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna put it in my outer corner, and you want to pat it so that way, I don't know how to explain it, but this is what you want to do with the eye makeup. My makeup brush is a little bit wet because I just washed all the eyeshadow off of it, so I'm having a little bit trouble applying it. I just washed it, and now I'm taking this really dark brown and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And this is where you want to give that effect of a winged eyeliner. See what I just did there? And you're gonna do the same with the black when I get to black eye. Okay, so unfortunately I have to use my iPad. It's not easy, but I'm hanging it on my ring light. I think it's gonna be stable, but just letting you know, my iPhone is out of storage. Why did I call it an iPhone? My phone is out of storage. I can't film and send it to myself on Instagram to edit everything. So everything is just gonna be done on the iPad. So back to the makeup tutorial. So I would consider this part optional, and I don't think I want to do it, but you're going to take some black in your outer corner. And I wouldn't really wing it out. I would do this for my baby makeup, my circus baby makeup. But I think I'm just going to put it in the outer corner, blend it very lightly. And that is the Riza Hawkeye makeup, at least the eyeshadow part. And now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. My eyeliner was outside my bedroom. I need to use a mirror, or else it's not going to come out good and people are going to make fun of me and say that I'm bad at makeup, even though this is clearly amazing. I'm really happy with how this eye makeup came out. Okay, so you kind of want to copy Riza's eye shape. That was bad. Sorry. There's like this little thing here. Do you see it? It's kind of messing up the way I want to do my eyeliner. And this part is optional, but you could also draw bottom lashes. I haven't done this since my Danganronpa days. I just feel like drawing on bottom lashes just gives you that effect that you're wearing a lot of eye makeup. Also, I keep forgetting to list the brands of my eye makeup. I've had the eyeshadows, I think, as Christmas presents, so I don't know exactly where the eyeshadows are from, except that this says Beauty Gems, so I think this is a brand. I'm pretty sure it's a brand. My eyeliner is from Maybelline, New York, and my mascara is from Wet n Wild. You can probably see it kind of on the mascara bottle. You might want to do your bottom lashes as well. I don't know, I just thought I would try it. And it kind of makes your eyelashes, your bottom ones, pop a little bit more. Okay, so that is all for eye makeup, except I'm gonna put my fake eyelashes off. I put my fake eyelashes on camera. I'm taking my Duo eyelash glue and I'm gonna carefully put this on in a way that this is kind of what you want to do. You want to spread the glue together. You don't want so much eyelash glue on your eyelash that it starts to stain your eyelashes and get all over the place, because as a teenager that has happened to me. I would put so much eyelash glue on when I was getting into a cosplay, like maybe when I was 18, I remember, and I just ended up staining my eyelashes and they got covered in glue and I had to buy new ones. And people might criticize me and say you should wait for it to get, what's the word, tacky? That doesn't work for me. It works for me when I put on the eyelashes right away. I know people may have a problem with that, but that's how the eyelashes stay on me until I peel them off, literally. And now for the next eyelash, and we will be getting to the basic makeup. Also, observation, this is not a good camera angle. I look really fat when I look like this. You can see my double chin and everything. I am a blob in these camera angles, but when I put it high up, I look like a normal person. And I don't know, when I wear double chin tape, I wear facelifting tape with my cosplays. Speaking of, I'm gonna keep this side free of makeup and primer, so that way when I put the tape on, I have no problem applying the tape. Because what facelifting tape does, okay, so you get medical tape, and there it is. You get medical tape and you lift your face with it. I can't do it right now because my hair is in the way. But anyway, I'm using Infallible Pro Glow L'Oreal Paris foundation. I buy this foundation all the time. Anytime I run out of it, I will restock on this. This is my go-to foundation. Be careful not to ruin your eye makeup. I'm doing this very carefully. And I'm going to do my... Okay, you notice how I just did that? So if you do plan on putting on tape, if you hate your face like I do, if you know, I hate my face, just carefully apply it around this area and keep this part of your face free of makeup. Because again, if you plan on wearing, if you do wear facelifting tape, it's really important you keep this area free of makeup. And I'm repeating myself. I have trouble with that. I'm sorry. I try not to repeat myself. And okay. And by the way, I should mention, I don't think I plan on wearing any blush as Riza. I know this is a girl cosplay, but when you look at Riza, and I know that you can't just go by what characters look like. You can't just say when you cosplay, characters don't wear makeup, so I shouldn't wear makeup. It took me a long time to realize that, like, ever since I was a teenager. Oh, and by the way, powder your face so the makeup stays in place. I'm using CoverGirl pressing powder. I got so carried away with my story. Okay, so I think the last thing is lipstick, and I'll put on my wig, and I'll get rid of this ugliness. I hate my face so much. I'm a blob. My face is a blob. So I've got a hairnet wig cap on, and this, I forgot the name for it, spandex. No, it's not spandex. Whatever it's called. This type of wig cap. And I'm going to tape my face. You're gonna see my double chin here. It's gonna look really ugly. I hate it when people see me like this. I also can't talk while I do this, so I'm gonna be really quiet while I do this. And you want to put a second layer on, so this way the tape doesn't stay in place. So it does stay in place. You want to put on two layers of tape. You want to lift your face with the first layer, and not really lift it with the second layer. And the second layer is just to keep the tape in place. And to keep it on longer, you could put latex. You could get some liquid latex and put it on the tape so it sticks. But it's summertime. It's almost summertime. So I feel like there's only so much I can do with how long I can keep on the tape. I don't put latex on my face anymore when I wear tape. Especially now it's getting warm out, and this tape is garbage now. Look at how little the roll is wasted. I was cosplaying Circus Baby last night. I stayed up late just to cosplay Circus Baby from FNAF Sister Location, and the tape, I didn't even start filming yet, and the tape just fell off me because I was sweating. It was a really hot cosplay to be in. I was wearing a bodysuit, a white bodysuit from Mayron, not Mayron, We Love Colors Cosplay. I should fix this, pin it down with some clips. I'm going to fix the wig in a minute. I was recently using this as my Vanessa wig from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. Oh, and I also feel like I should fix this now that I most likely have a neck because of the tape. So, this was a wig from Amazon, and I feel like I need a mirror. I'll be right back. I know this kind of turned into me talking about my life, and now I'm trying to pin down this part of the wig and have the start of her ponytail bun. This, I don't know what to call it. Okay, so I fixed the wig, except I have to pull my wig cap back. That happens to me a lot. And that is how you put on your Riza Hawkeye makeup. I might add lipstick. The lipstick is Revlon and it's pink lipstick, so it's not important. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I hope I improved with my makeup and I taught you a couple things, especially the eye makeup. I hope I taught you a couple things. Bye.